How has COVID-19 affected remodeling and home renovations? Today, I'm going to tell you about it. Scott Himelstein with the Scott Himelstein Group. Hey, before we talk about today's topic, how has COVID-19 affected home renovations and remodeling? Reminder, if you're a home seller, check out our free home value report. And if you're looking to purchase a home, we have our free MLS search tool for properties all over Southern California. Well, obviously since March and COVID-19, with everybody staying at home, if people aren't looking in the market to buy a home, then a lot of people are actually looking to make changes to their home. So just like those who are actually in the marketplace to purchase a home, it's pretty much the same reason why you're seeing people trying to make changes to their existing home. They may need more elbow room. They may want to put in a pool. They may want to add different features to the house. They may want to remodel a kitchen or a bathroom. They may want to put in a home gym. Now they might probably need a space for their kids to do their schooling at home. So how has it actually affected the home remodeling and renovation process? Well, in a few different ways, because everybody is out there right now trying to make changes to the home. So what you're seeing happen is, just to give you an example, I went to Home Depot on a Tuesday at 1 o'clock about 10 days ago. And what actually ended up transpiring, where there was 58 people in line just to check out. And you're seeing a lot of disruptions in the supply chains too, especially when it comes to appliances. So for example, like Samsung, their refrigerators are made in Korea. So due to the supply chain disruptions, what you're seeing taking place right now is that a lot of their refrigerators are actually back ordered. Now, LG was very smart. Last year, they actually opened up a plant in Tennessee for washer and dryers, and they've expanded that plant during COVID to be able to make refrigerators and other items and appliances there here in the USA to kind of counteract that. The other thing that you're going to see right now is the prices to remodel are going up substantially. And this really is the case when it comes to lumber. The price for lumber right now has gone up almost 25% since April. Right now, we're back at 2018 levels. And that was about the time when you had wildfires and hurricanes that really created a disruption in the prices in lumber. So if you're doing any type of remodel, let's say, for example, to do a covered patio, expect to pay a lot more for that due to the fact that the prices of lumber have gone up so much. And this goes also for being able to find contractors to be able to show up. A lot of the contractors are really busy right now with a lot of different jobs. So you just have to be able to plan ahead. Simple things like maybe be able to find a faucet that you like. It may be out of stock till the end of November. So you might have to have a backup plan. You have to have a lot of patience, and maybe it's a project that maybe only take 2 to 3 weeks. It may take a little longer due to the disruptions that we're currently seeing. Well, if you have any questions about renovating, also about real estate, give me a call today, 818-396-3311. That's 818-396-3311. And thanks again for watching our video blog.